So this is either going to end up being super, super awesome or an absolute fail. And I have yet to know which one that's going to be. Hey everyone, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. First off, I want to say Happy New Year! Yay! It's the new year, new year. I told myself that now that I am out of school, I was going to be making this year all about new experiences. So I am going to begin said new experiences. The sun is blinding me. Do I close the curtains? No, not gonna do it. So I told myself that I was going to be starting off the new year by just like doing a whole bunch of new experiences. One of those is going to be a makeup tutorial. We are going to work through a tutorial together that I've never done. This is either going to end up super, super successful and be an awesome tutorial, or it's just gonna be me making a fool of myself and having fun, because who doesn't wanna have fun, am I right? So I thought that I would start off the new year by trying out a kind of like a kookier, like not kooky, but like a more glamorous and like fun makeup tutorial. I did my first ever like fun makeup on myself for Christmas Eve. I followed along with the Decadence Diaries for something that I did for Christmas, and I liked it and it was so successful that I decided I was going to try another one of her tutorials, but this time I was going to film it because this one is a little bit more challenging. So today we are going to be following along with the Decadence Diaries Mermaid Eyes featuring Urban Decay's Alice Through the Looking Glass palette, because I still have said palette and I rarely use it. So we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be using this baby up. So the way that this video is going to work is that her tutorial I'm going to link down below, and I'm also going to post a little picture of each step in the corner of each while we're like doing every step, just so that you can see what hers looks like versus what it looks like when I'm doing it. Remember, I am not very experienced in makeup. I can put on like one type of eyeshadow at a time and sometimes successfully apply lipstick. That's about it. So this is gonna be really fun to try and experience. So we're just gonna like hop right in and get started. Let's do this. Okay, I feel like I look like a crazy person with my bangs back. Oh, it's so funny, but it's okay. So we're gonna get going with the tutorial. Foundation primer. Do I dare use it on my eyes? YOLO. I just don't know where. We're gonna use a tiny, dude, this just like squirted out everywhere. Already starting off being quite an interesting little thing. So, you know, maybe I won't actually use the primer because that could lead to danger for us. So let's just not do it. Okay, step number 1 is to apply Heads Will Roll to the lid. So as you remember, this is this color right here is Heads Will Roll. It's kind of like a turquoise. It has like some gold sparkliness in it. This is your eyelid, yeah, right? I don't know if there's any like extra area when they say apply to eyelid, then this is what I do. What eye do you guys start with? When you are doing your makeup, do you start with your right or left eye? Come to realize I start with my right eye and then go to my left, but then with eyeliner, when I'm doing like my attempting of a cat eye, I've been tending to start with my left and then work to my right, which is not normal for me, because like I said, I tend to usually start right to left. So I'm just gonna keep on going until it looks like it's like a nice thick layer on here. Good enough? No, not good enough yet. I'm gonna keep going. All right, we're gonna say that's good enough. Step number 2, place time on outer V, then blend out to crease. So I'm a little bit nervous about step 2. It says place time on outer V, then blend into crease. And if you look closely at time, it's a very dark color. So I feel like in this case, a little is gonna go a long way. How do you make sure, see, because like my color's already like starting to fade and like fall off. A lot of fallout with this. Is that what it's called when that happens? Oh, I don't know how I feel about this color, yo. I feel like it looks like I just got punched and then I'm sick or something. Okay, well, there we go. That's what we got. Definitely digging this eye more than that one. Okay, here we go, guys. Whew. Step number 3, buff mirror into crease. So Time was kind of like a deep black navy color. Mirror is like a deep gray, purpley, sparkly, not purple, sorry, just like deep gray. And we are going to buff that into the crease. There we go. How's it looking? I don't know if this looks right. Does this look right to you? I don't know what it's supposed to look like. So we're winging it. Next, step 4, apply Metamorphosis to inner tear duct and slightly onto inner lid. Look at how bright Metamorphosis is. I am so excited for this. Like, here comes more color. I'm gonna just like pack it on this brush a little bit. And it says inner tear duct and slightly into inner lid. Okay, so next step, blend Bandersnatch on top of mirror crease. Bandersnatch. Bandersnatch is like this very, very dark, deep blue. And we are going to smudge it, or blend it, on top of mirror and crease. How do I look? I feel like this is looking a little bad. So bad. It's okay though. Okay, this is interesting. Smudge mirror into lower lash line. Go back with mirror into lower lash line. Should not be doing that. This is weird, guys. Why does hers look so pretty? Don't think I have big enough eyes for this. I think that's my problem. Last step. Well, no, that's a lie. Step 7 is to apply head roll over mirror in your lash line. Okay, good. Okay, this is weird. But that's okay, we're gonna deal with it. Next step, apply liquid liner and mascara. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay. The amount of like fallout that this palette was having is like making my nose so like runny and drippy and sticky and not fun. That's okay, it's totally fine. Gonna deal. Okay, step 1, liner. Guys, I have successfully done one eye. I'm scared I'm going to mess up the other. Knowing my luck, that's exactly what's going to happen. Before I even go on to the next eye, just gonna finish this one out with a bang, right? Oh no. How do we feel about this? Does it look good? I really can't tell. Like, genuinely cannot tell from my work. I'm nervous. Here comes the difficult part. Or another difficult part, I should say. Okay, well, we followed the tutorial. Now I'm just gonna kind of fix it up and do the rest of my face, and then we're going to see how this turned out. So this is what we are left with. I would have to say this is part success, part fail. I think it honestly goes very well with my new hair, and I used Bare Minerals matte lipstick in the color Swag for my lips because she ended up using MAC Cremachine lipstick in Ravishing, which was kind of like a bright pink color. This is really the only bright pink that I had, so we're going with this one. And so this is what we're left with. I would have to say this is definitely kind of mermaid-esque. It goes really well to me with this hair. I feel like if I had my blonde hair still, this wouldn't go as well. Don't ask me why. That's just how I feel. I feel like it might have been a little bit too much blue. I was really nervous to do this because that means there's so much blue around my eyes because my eyes are kind of like the blue-green, and then there'd be so much blue. But it works. Would I wear this all the time? No. I don't think I'm skilled enough to do something like this, and nor do I think I'm like able to pull something off like this all the time. But either way, this was like a really fun tutorial to even try out, and I would have to say it was only a semi-fail. So we are going to rate this look 6 or 7 out of 10, I would say. 6.5 out of 10 because I'm not skilled enough to make it like work yet. Maybe one day we'll come back to it when I'm a little bit more skilled. We shall see. But anyways, that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Expectation versus Reality, in which I tried out some beauty looks. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Feel free to like this video as well as comment down below, and you tell me, what do you think about this? What do you think about my lack of skill? What do you think about my hair? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel so you can continue getting updates on other videos that are to come. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye! Guys, when I put my hair back, I feel like some, like, 90s punk girl. Also, my eyes are watering, and that's going to make this start to run any minute. Look at that. What the heck? What the heck? Come on, Bangs. What you doing? Stay back. Calm down. What's happening? What's happening?